Welcome to the future of transportation. Imagine skipping traffic and soaring through the skies in your very own flying car. Today, we're showcasing 5 groundbreaking personal aircraft that are revolutionizing mobility. From high-speed eVTOLs to hybrid-powered flying cars, these innovations are changing the way we travel. Buckle up as we take off into the world of futuristic flight. The first flying aircraft is the AirScooter. The Jetoptera AirScooter is a personal hybrid electric VTOL aircraft designed for individual air mobility. It features 6 rotors extending from its compact, egg-shaped body, facilitating vertical takeoff and landing. Powered by a hybrid propulsion system combining electric motors and a petrol engine, it achieves a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour. The AirScooter offers a flight time of up to 2 hours and can carry a maximum payload of 120 kilograms. Its dimensions are approximately 3.4 meters in length and width and 2.56 meters in height. Controlled via 2 intuitive joysticks similar to VR gaming controllers, the AirScooter provides an accessible piloting experience. Designed to comply with FAA regulations for ultralight aircraft, it can be operated without a pilot's license. The hybrid electric system ensures efficient performance, making the AirScooter a promising innovation in personal aviation. Our next aircraft is Jetson One. The Jetson One is an ultralight personal electric vertical takeoff and landing designed for single-passenger flight. Manufactured by Jetson Aerospace, it features an aluminum and carbon fiber frame, keeping its total weight at just 86 kilograms. The aircraft is powered by 8 electric motors, delivering a combined output of 88 kilowatts, enabling vertical takeoff and stable flight. Its lithium-ion battery system provides a maximum flight time of 20 minutes on a single charge, with a top speed limited to 102 kilometers per hour. The aircraft is equipped with triple redundant flight computers, LiDAR sensors for terrain tracking, and an intuitive joystick-based fly-by-wire control system, making piloting accessible even for beginners. Safety features include an auto-landing function, hands-free hover mode, and a ballistic parachute for emergencies. With a compact design, the Jetson One can fit inside a standard garage, making personal flight more practical. Designed to comply with FAA Part 103 ultralight regulations, it requires no pilot's license in the U.S., making it an innovative step toward accessible air mobility. Next item on our list is KleinVision Flying Car. The KleinVision Flying Car is an extraordinary advancement in personal transportation, blending the functionality of a traditional car with the freedom of flight. This hybrid vehicle is designed to operate seamlessly both on the road and in the air, offering an unparalleled solution to modern travel challenges. One of the most impressive aspects of the KleinVision Flying Car is its ability to transition from a standard car into an aircraft in just a few minutes, thanks to its innovative retractable wings and tail system. Equipped with a powerful engine, it can take off and land on conventional runways, allowing for a smooth transition from road to sky. On the road, the KleinVision reaches speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour, and when airborne, it cruises at an impressive 180 kilometers per hour. With a flight range of 1,000 kilometers, it provides a practical alternative to long car journeys, avoiding traffic and making regional flights a reality for personal use. Its sleek, lightweight design not only enhances aerodynamics, but also ensures safety and efficiency in both modes of travel. The KleinVision Flying Car is more than just a futuristic concept. It's a groundbreaking innovation that offers a glimpse into how flying cars could transform the way we move, bringing us closer to a new era of transportation. Next, the AirScooter. The AirScooter eVTOL from Alauda Aeronautics is a high-performance electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for the AirScooter racing series. It is powered by 4 high-torque electric motors, producing a combined output of 320 kilowatts. The aircraft operates on a lithium polymer battery system that can reach speeds of over 250 kilometers per hour. Constructed from advanced carbon fiber composites, the AirScooter is lightweight and aerodynamic, weighing around 100 kilograms. Its propulsion system features 4 duct propellers, offering precise control and stability during flight. The fly-by-wire control system, combined with advanced AI-assisted flight stabilization and collision avoidance technology, ensures safe and agile maneuverability in high-speed racing environments. The modular battery swapping system allows for rapid recharging between races, while the aircraft's compact design and vertical takeoff capability make it ideal for competitive aerial racing. With cutting-edge engineering and a focus on speed and safety, the AirScooter represents the future of eVTOL racing technology. Our next item is the J2000 flying car. The J2000 flying car, developed by Jetoptera, is an advanced VTOL aircraft designed for high-speed, efficient aerial mobility. It features the company's proprietary fluidic propulsive system, a bladeless thrust technology that enhances efficiency and reduces noise compared to traditional propeller-driven systems. The aircraft is powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system, allowing for a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 320 kilometers. Constructed from lightweight composite materials, the J2000 is designed for aerodynamic efficiency and smooth handling. The FPS system integrates distributed propulsion, eliminating exposed rotors and enhancing safety. The aircraft is capable of vertical takeoff and landing, making it suitable for urban and regional air travel. Equipped with an advanced fly-by-wire control system, the J2000 offers precise maneuverability. Its compact design enables operation in confined spaces, while the hybrid electric powertrain ensures lower emissions and greater energy efficiency. With innovative propulsion and cutting-edge aerodynamics, the J2000 represents a new era in flying car technology. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to NanoTech for your next dose of tech updates. Until then, stay innovative and see you soon.